As the leaves turn golden and the air turns crisp, there's something magical about fall gatherings. Today, we're exploring 10 fall potluck ideas that wow! Easy, cozy recipes that bring people together. From maple-glazed Brussels sprouts to caramel apple dip, these dishes are perfect for sharing warmth and flavor this season. Let's start with a side dish that surprises everyone: maple-glazed Brussels sprouts. Their natural sweetness pairs beautifully with maple syrup and olive oil, creating a roasted golden flavor. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Trim the ends and slice the Brussels sprouts in half. Step 3. In a bowl, whisk together maple syrup, olive oil, salt and pepper. Step 4. Toss the sprouts in the glaze, then spread them on a baking sheet. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and tender. Next, cozy up with pumpkin chili, a creamy, flavorful twist on a classic favorite. For the ingredients you'll need: 1 pound ground beef or turkey, 1 can pumpkin puree, 1 can black beans, 1 can kidney beans, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, salt and pepper. Step 1. Brown the meat with onions and garlic until fragrant. Step 2. Stir in pumpkin puree, beans, tomatoes, and spices. Let it simmer for 30 minutes to blend the flavors. Serve with sour cream, cheese, or warm cornbread for the ultimate fall comfort. For something lighter, try an autumn harvest salad, colorful, fresh, and full of texture. You'll need mixed greens, 1 roasted sweet potato, cubed, a 1/4 cup dried cranberries, a 1/4 cup walnuts or pecans, a 1/4 cup feta cheese. For dressing, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper. Step 1. Roast sweet potato cubes until tender and golden. Step 2. In a bowl, combine greens, sweet potatoes, cranberries, nuts, and feta. Step 3. Drizzle the dressing and toss gently, a mix of colors, textures, and flavors, perfect for any table. No potluck is complete without cheesy spinach and artichoke dip. Warm, creamy, and crowd-pleasing. You'll need 1 cup chopped spinach, 1 can artichoke hearts, 1 cup cream cheese, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup mozzarella, half a cup parmesan, salt and pepper. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix until smooth. Step 3. Spread into a baking dish and bake 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly and golden. Serve warm with tortilla chips or toasted bread. Now fill your home with the scent of spiced apple cider, the ultimate cozy fall drink. You'll need 1 gallon apple cider, 4 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon whole cloves, 1 tablespoon allspice, and 1 orange, sliced. Step 1. Combine all ingredients in a large pot. Step 2. Heat for 30 minutes on medium, but don't let it boil. Serve warm with a cinnamon stick for stirring. Pure autumn comfort in every sip. For something fun and interactive, try sweet potato and black bean tacos. You'll need 2 medium sweet potatoes, cubed, 1 can black beans, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, tortillas, avocado, cilantro, and lime. Step 1. Toss sweet potatoes with olive oil, cumin, and chili powder. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Step 2. Heat black beans in a small pot. Step 3. Set up a taco bar with tortillas and toppings. These tacos are colorful, flavorful, and perfect for sharing. Warm up your guests with butternut squash soup, creamy, smooth, and full of flavor. You'll need 1 butternut squash, cubed, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 cup coconut milk, salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Sauté onions and garlic. Add squash and broth, simmer for 20 minutes. Blend until smooth, then stir in coconut milk and seasonings. Serve in bread bowls for a cozy presentation. For dessert, pecan pie bars are a guaranteed hit, gooey, nutty, and easy to share. You'll need 1 cup flour, half a cup butter, a 1/4 cup sugar, half a cup brown sugar, 2 cups chopped pecans, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and half cup corn syrup. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Mix flour, butter, and sugar. Press into a baking pan. Step 3. Combine brown sugar, eggs, vanilla, and corn syrup. Stir in pecans. Step 4. Pour over crust and bake, 30-35 minutes. Cool, slice, and serve. Sweet, shareable, and unforgettable. Add a pop of color with cranberry orange relish. quick, fresh, and vibrant. You'll need 12 ounces fresh cranberries, 1 orange, quartered and half a cup sugar. Pulse all ingredients in a food processor until coarsely chopped. Chill for at least an hour, then serve alongside meats or salads. It's tart, sweet, and bursting with seasonal flavor. End your potluck on a sweet note with caramel apple dip, smooth, creamy, and fun to eat. You'll need 1 cup cream cheese, 1 cup caramel sauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and fresh apple slices. Step 1. Mix cream cheese, caramel sauce, and vanilla until smooth. Step 2. Serve with crisp apple slices for dipping. Add crushed nuts or drizzle chocolate for extra flair. These fall potluck ideas are simple to make, beautiful to serve, and full of autumn warmth. Bring comfort and flavor to your next gathering, and make memories that last all season long. Be sure to check out this video for more.